screech. Oh wait, that's you.
Good grief. Whew. That's enough to break the windows. Good grief. It's one of those days, guys. Oh,
Well, I'm glad I already used the bathroom. Oh, man. We got it going now, folks.
Oh no.
Phew, that was gonna go
Oh
viral.
man. Whew.
I got it.
It tickles me when I'm in the middle of saying something and it accidentally comes out. That's so
Like a while ago.
Yeah, that's what got me tickled.
It was like you were getting ready to actually hiccuping or something. We'll rewind the tape and see.
What was it really, folks?
Yeah.
You decide.
Verdict is in.
Yeah.
Everyone's been on their cell phones putting the votes in. That's probably pretty good. Looks like she's about done.
Oh, I hope I am. Whew. Oh boy.
That was hilarious.
It was.
Even if you say so yourself, and you did.
I know. I got a tear in my eye. Ooh, my eyes
I
watered.
wasn't driving, I had to pull over.
That's funny.
Wow.
Thank you, Lord, for keeping us safe.
Well, it's terrible.
Whew. I think that's it. I hope that's it.
Yeah, you probably hold off on wasting your recording time. I guess you can edit that, though.
Yeah, I think that's it.
Whew. I think you got some good footage.